In today's video, I will walk you through how to create financial reports in Xero. Start by looking at the top navigation bar in Xero. Find the option labeled Reporting and click on it. This opens the Reporting section, where you'll find all of the reports available in your organization. Once the Reporting menu opens, select All Reports. This takes you to a page containing the complete list of reports that Xero can generate. The reports are grouped into different categories, making it easier to locate the ones you need. On the All Reports page, look for the Financial Statements section. This is where you'll find both the Profit and Loss report and the balance sheet. Let's begin with the Profit and Loss report. Click on Profit and Loss, and Xero will automatically generate the report. After a few moments, the report will appear on your screen using the current reporting period. Take a moment to review the report that has been generated. If the information shown matches the period you want to review, you can continue working with it. If you need a different reporting period, you'll adjust that in the next step. Now return to the Financial Statements section and click on Balance Sheet. Just like the previous report, Xero will automatically generate the balance sheet for you. After it finishes loading, you'll see the report displayed on your screen. Once both reports are available, you may want to change the reporting period to match the dates you're working with. At the top of each report, you'll find the date range options. Click on the date fields and select the reporting period you want to use. After selecting the appropriate dates, click Update. Xero will refresh the report and display the information for the new reporting period you selected. If you're working with both reports, repeat the same process for each one. Open the report, choose the appropriate date range, and click Update to refresh the results. Before finishing, review each report to confirm the information shown matches the reporting period you intended to use. If necessary, you can adjust the dates again and click Update until everything reflects the correct timeframe. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.